Well, there's obviously the pill, which is taken daily. Another method is just the old-fashioned condom. Then,
Dental dam.
yes, then there's also NuvaRing, which you put in and leave in for a month, I think, and then take it out, then put a new one in. Then there's another one. I think it's called like IPC or something.
I've never.
I don't know, but they put something inside of the walls of your uterus, and it's like hooks
Is that for
on.
a male or a woman?
It's for a woman.
Oh, okay.
I don't think there's any forms that the males use except for condoms. Yes. I mean, the only ones that I really know about is just condoms and abstinence, I guess.
The ones that you had now.
99.9%.
Okay.